The Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE is the newest mid-range tablet from Chinese electronic giant Xiaomi. It offers a sleek design and excellent build quality while still being affordable for the mid-range market. The tablet has been designed with a user in mind, providing an immersive experience in both gaming and multimedia consumption. The Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE features a stunning 11-inch LCD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 Full HD and the refresh rate of 90 Hz. To ensure a clear and vibrant pictures, the tablet also comes with a constant ratio of 1500 by 1 and the brightness of 400 nits. The bezels of the design are thin, giving the device an 82% usable surface. Additionally, the body of the tablet is made of high-grade aluminum alloy, which adds an overall durability. For the audio, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE comes with a 4-stereo speakers as well as the Dolby Atmos support. The heart of the tablet is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. Depending on the model, RAM options range from 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB. For storage, the device comes with 128GB of internal memory with an expandable external SD card slot. According to AnTuTu benchmark, the tablet scores an impressive 260,000 in the V9 test. To ensure the optimum performance, the device is also outfitted with a cooling system. The Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE features a standard 8-megapixel camera with f2.0. For selfies, the device comes with a 5-megapixel shooter with an aperture of f2.2. The Redmi Pad SE is equipped with an 8000 mAh battery that will ensure hours and hours of use on a single charge. To top it off, the device also supports 10-watt fast charging. Overall, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE looks to be an exciting mid-range tablet with a sleek design, excellent build quality, powerful hardware, and solid battery life. The device looks to be worth considering if you're in the market for a mid-range tablet.